Welcome to Plyrotech YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. If you click the bell icon, you will get notification when I post a new video. Okay, today I am going to talk about angle of wing. So, angle in the wing up or down spanwise from root to tip can help to resolve various design issues such as stability and control in flight. Okay, first one is dihedral. The tips are higher than the root. Okay, the tips are higher than the root. So this is the aircraft fuselage and this is the root and this is the tip. So wing tip is higher than the root. So the shape will be like this V shape. This is called dihedral. So mostly passenger aircraft using this type of wings. Okay, the second one is anhedral. The tips are lower than the root, just like opposite of dihedral, used to reduce stability where some other features are result in too much stability. So this is the fuselage, this is the wing tip and this is the root. So wing tip is lower than the root. So the shape is like this, just opposite of dihedral. That's why it's called anhedral, opposite V. Okay, mainly this type of aircraft used for heavy transport like cargo aircrafts. Okay, the next one is gull wing. Sharp dihedral on the wing root section, little or none on the main section. So this is the fuselage, this is the root section. Root section is dihedral. So this type of wings are called gull wing. Gull wing, right? Mostly this type of aircraft using for sea landing. Sea landing aeroplane is like this. The wing is higher, so the water will not disturb the wing. Okay, this is called gull wing. The next one is inverted gull wing. Anhedral on the root section. Dihedral may be used to reduce the length of the wing mounted undercarriage legs while allowing raised fuselage. Okay, this is inverted gull wing. This is a fuselage. The wing root is anhedral and then dihedral. Okay, this is just like a W, right? This type of aircraft is called, wings are called inverted gull wing. So this mostly reducing the undercarriage length. No need to fix long undercarriage like this. This one need more, very long undercarriage, but this one is short undercarriage. So that is the main purpose, and this aircraft is used battlefield in past. Okay, now we know that dihedral, anhedral, gull wing, inverted gull wing, when seen from the front, the aircraft when seen from the front, the shape is called, this one is dihedral and this one is anhedral gull wing and inverted gull wing, right? So now we will watch a video about some aircrafts with this type of angles. Okay, this is dihedral wing shape. And this is aircraft with dihedral wing. This also same dihedral wing. And this aircraft also with dihedral wing. This is anhedral wing, the shape of anhedral. This is the anhedral wings. This also with anhedral wing. This is the largest aircraft in the world, AN225. This is Gulf wing aircraft, sea landing aircraft. This is Gulf wing with the Gulf wing. This is inverted Gulf wing aircraft. This is inverted Gulf wing aircraft, and this is also inverted Gulf wing.